Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Tesla Model 3 using an easy method. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure you are using a dedicated portable jump starter, not another car, to avoid potential damage. Confirm your Model 3 is in park with the parking brake firmly engaged. It is crucial to prevent any short circuits during this process. Now, let's find the jump start points. Begin by opening your Tesla Model 3's front trunk, often called the frunk. Once open, you will see a maintenance panel. Gently pull this panel upwards to release its clips and remove it. Inside, you will clearly see a red positive jump post and a metal bolt nearby, which serves as your negative grounding point. With the jump points exposed, it's time to connect your cables. Take the red positive cable from your jump starter and securely connect it to the red positive jump post. Next, attach the black negative cable to the metal bolt located near the brake fluid reservoir. Be very careful to ensure that neither cable touches any other metal components on your vehicle. Once the cables are securely connected, turn on your external low-voltage power supply. Allow a few minutes for your Tesla's systems to power up. You should see the touchscreen activate. When the vehicle is responsive, carefully disconnect the black negative cable first, followed by the red positive cable. Finally, replace the maintenance panel and close your frunk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.